everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Josie. Today, look what I got. I am so excited. This is from Chris and Hollie, from the Chris and Hollie channel. And I won't show you the top of it because I don't want to reveal addresses. So let me open this. And this is fabric. Hopefully you go over and watch all of their videos and their dumpster diving. And this fabric was just found, I don't know, about 3 videos ago. They do a lot of videos, so hard to keep track. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, looky, looky, looky. It is plumb full. Let's show. Oh, flamingos. Oh, this is so soft. Oh my gosh. This feels so good, and there's lots of it. I have so many projects going. Wait till you see them. It will take a while to get them all done. I think this actually was a sheet or something, but it is going to work out really good. Oh, and this is familiar. This was in my first box, and I used it. This is a little bit firmer, but the same pattern. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh. I am going to have a ball with this stuff. Hopefully you can see that. Isn't it adorable? And this is another piece that was in the last box. Oh, this is fun. And this one was in the last one. I love this. Oh my gosh. For any of you like action figures, look at that. Oh, I already can think of ideas. And this was, only thing is I've gotten more pieces. There's more fabric in this box. The pieces are larger. And this is nice. Look at that. And I love suggestions, but please, no mask. I'm not making masks. First of all, there are some places, there's a medical center close to me where I go for physical therapy on my legs, and they're not even allowing cloth mask anymore. It's paper. So I love sewing, but to me, sewing is fun. I do it as a hobby, and I do sell some things. So I want to make something I really enjoy, and I've made masks, and I hate making them. And they're simple to make. But I appreciate all suggestions, but I know there's been several about masks. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my gosh. I am going to have a ball. And like I said before, I have tons of fabric. But this is more exciting to me, to see what I can do with all these pieces. Look at that. I've had that before too. And, oh, this is nice. All really good quality fabric. Oh, and look at this. I am going to be one busy lady. And right now, let's see, I'm making a shoulder bag for Hollie, and I will show you that when I'm finished with it before I ship it. And then I'm going to make Elion a dinosaur pillowcase, and I will show you that before I ship it. I don't think Hollie would mind if I do that. And look at that beautiful fabric. Oh my gosh. I may even have to make a quilt. I haven't made a quilt for a while, and I love making them. They're time consuming. And then I'm in the process, I'm waiting for the backing. I'm making a couple of blankets from that cat fabric, if you go back and watch the video. Look at the fabric. Oh my gosh, look at, there's 2 pieces of this. I have more to work with this time. And nice white. You can always use white fabric. And there's 2 pieces. Oh, I love this, Holly. Thank you, thank you. Oh, look at this. Snoopy. Isn't that cute? Oh, and this was in that last, the first box I got from Holly. And if you remember in my video, I said I wished I had more of this. Oh my gosh. Excuse me for repeating myself, but I'm so excited. I love this. Oh, wow. I just can't believe that stores throw all this stuff away. I really can't. What a waste. But we're not wasting it. We are going to do something good with it. Oh, and here's another 2 pieces. Oh, I can really do a lot with this because there's 3 pieces. And here's another one. What is this? Oh, how cute. Excuse me, look at the cats. Oh, it's so adorable. I won't know where to start. There's so much. And lots of squares. And oh. With some of this, I might even be able to make another pillow to match those. This is just so... And butterflies. I love anything with butterflies. Hopefully I'm not making you dizzy. I got a new tripod today, so. And I did get my camera. I have it halfway set up. I want to start doing some really better DIYs. Where I have a pause button. Because I hate editing. I'll be honest, I hate editing. I've messed with my programs and I hate it. So if I have a pause button, you don't have to sit and watch me sewing on the sewing machine. I can just pause it. And there's 2 pieces of that, so. And that was in the first box. Lots of new things. Oh, look at butterflies. I can see a lot of anything bags. And a quilt. And another tote bag. And how about Christmas stockings? I made Christmas stockings last year, and here's another piece of that. So if anyone has, like I said, I welcome any suggestions other than a mask. And this also has butterflies. Isn't it beautiful? Oh my. And the first box had just a small piece of that. So that is beautiful. Oh, and I love this. It's kind of a reddish orange. Red is my favorite color. Most of the time I wear red. 2 pieces of that. Love this. Fabric is my weakness. Oh, and look at that beautiful fabric. Only trouble, there's not enough hours in the day. because I have so many ideas. Look at that cute fabric. And that's the second piece of that. That is so nice that there's larger quantities this time. And that's the second piece of that one. And that one. So I'll go through and sort them. Oh, and I like this. And I only had a small piece in the first box. So Holly, you found more. Oh, wow. Thrilled, thrilled. And this is the last. Let's see here what we have. Really pretty green. Oh, and I love this. There's two pieces of this. And it's the same but in a different color. It's in a violet color. Oh, wow. Okay, I'm going to show you in one big stack everything I got. This is all the fabric. And I hope within the next 3 months, you will see all of this sewn up. And I'm saying 3 months because I also have fabric from the second box, and no, the third box, and I have the calendars to do my junk journal. So I'm going to give myself 3 months to show you what I'm going to do with this. Again, thank you, Chris and Holly. I'm just delighted with all this fabric. And if you would see how much fabric I have of my own, you would say, why does she want more fabric? Well, I love creating. It's rewarding. It's a good thing, especially in these times, not to sit around and be idle, excuse me. Keep busy, have fun, find something that you really love to do and do it. Stop worrying, just think positive and be happy. And stay tuned. Hopefully I'm going to have some beautiful things to show you. And again, if you're not subscribed to Chris and Holly, go over and subscribe. Watch their channel. They're a lot of fun. I love watching. I look forward to every day that they put a video on. So have a great day, everyone. Be safe. Bye.